You're welcome in your maths and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem. So let's go. So for proving this, let me draw a square of side length a plus b. So let's say this is a square and this is a plus b. So this is a plus b as well. And now let's say this is a, this is b. So this is a, this is b. And like that, let's write all the sides. Now simply draw the lines like this. And you can clearly see this is a square, so all the angles must be 90 degrees. So now you can see this and this length is same as this and this, so these two triangles are congruent from side angle side criteria. And similarly you can say that these four triangles are congruent, okay, and these angles are equal, and also these angles which I am showing here from two double arc are also equal. And as you know that the corresponding part of the congruent triangle is equal, so these four sides are equal. And let's consider this angle. This angle is x, okay, so from linear pair you get this angle x, this angle as x, and this angle as x. You get 4x which is equals to 360 degree because it's a quadrilateral, and you get x which is 90 degree, and these all sides are same, so let's name it C. And as you know, the area of the bigger square is a plus b the whole square because it's the product of the side lengths. Now there is one more way to calculate the area of this whole bigger square. So first calculate the area of one single triangle, which is half into a into b, and there are four triangles, so 4 into half into a into b. Now add the area of this quadrilateral and you can clearly see the x is 90 degree and all the sides are same, so this is also a square, so the area is c square. Now open the a plus b the whole square bracket. You can clearly see that 2ab cuts out, and you can clearly see that a square plus b square is equal to c square. And when you apply this here, you get the Pythagoras theorem. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.